Hello, this is a quick video to go over the logistics of MECE 416 Survey of Renewable Energy Systems for the early summer online session of 2024. This class takes place for a period of 6 weeks starting June 3rd. As of the recording of this video, it is May 21st. You are allowed to start this class early, although the class doesn't officially start until June 3rd. All materials are made available starting today. Also, keep in mind that during the duration of this course, I will be located in France, which has a 6-hour time difference with the East Coast US. As of the recording of this video, it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, which is about 7 a.m. East Coast time in the US. This class is split between classic lecture style and homeworks, exams, and projects. So for the grade of the course, you got about 20% or 10% of the grade for homework, 20% of the grade for project 1, 20% for project 2, 20% for exam 1, 20% for exam 2, and 10% for the final exam. Now we got 6 weeks. The class is split into 6 weeks. So the first week, starting June 3rd, we cover 4 chapters, and then the homework for that is due June 8th, which is a Saturday at 11:59 p.m. The second week of the class, we cover chapters 5, 6, and 7 with the homework due June 13th, which is a Thursday evening, a Thursday at 11:59 p.m., with exam 1 being June 15th, which is a Saturday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. That'll be exam 1. Week 3 is going to be chapters 8, 9, 10, and 12, with homework 3 due Saturday, June 22nd at 11:59 p.m. And then week 4, covering chapters 13, 14, and 15, with homework 4 due Thursday at 11:59 p.m. and exam 2 being June 29th, which is a Saturday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then the next 2 weeks, week 5 and 6, are projects. You'll have the week to work on a project. And then Friday or Saturday of that weekend, July 6th or July 12th. July 6th is a Saturday. July 12th is a Friday, I believe. So anyway, that Friday or Saturday, July 5th or 6th, will be presentations for Project 1, and July 11th or 12th will be presentations, or July 12th most likely, which is a Friday, because we have to have the course finished by Friday, will be project presentations, followed by the final exam, which will be approximately 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So this is the logistics of the class. The course covers a survey of renewable energies going from hydropower, wind, solar, biomass, fuel cells, geothermal, ocean energy, and nuclear energy. And the class is meant to give you a background on each of these different types of solar energy. The different types of renewable energy mechanisms, followed by some projects in order to be able to deepen your knowledge. For the homeworks are due. You need to, when they're due, you need to complete the homeworks in their entirety. Anything's incomplete will result in docked points, and I will be grading a problem at random. That problem needs to be completed, or else you get a 0 for the whole assignment if you don't do the one problem at random that I have chosen to grade. The class will be facilitated through Teams. If you go to the class team, you can click here on General Channel. General Channel will be how I'll communicate to you mainly. You'll see on the top here different tabs. Each tab represents a link to a YouTube playlist, which has on my YouTube channel, which has the lecture notes. The videos are basically recordings of the blank PowerPoint notes that you have access to with me lecturing and inking and content along the way. Each chapter has its own tab and has a playlist, and what you have is access to all of the videos in the playlist. Normally, if you click on the tab, the first video will automatically be there with access to the other videos underneath the initial video. So, for example, chapter 3 has 4 parts: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those 4 videos complete the entirety of all of the notes for chapter 3. Chapter 4, you can see that there are 3 videos, so forth and so on. So you can see all the videos here, all the playlists. You can just click on them, watch them at your leisure. If you go under Files, Under class materials, you can see the blank notes are here. These are all the notes for each of the chapters, both in PowerPoint form and in PDF form. Those are the blank notes. And likewise, you also have the completed notes. The completed notes is basically my completed notes that I give you that represent the notes after all the inking has been done. In addition, if you go under OneNote, you can see that there is also a tab here called Class Notes, which gives you the blank notes printed to a OneNote page, if that is how you would prefer to take your notes as well. So that is up to you, whether you'd rather use OneNote or just download the PowerPoint slides directly and make your own notes. That's up to you. Assignments, you can see all the assignments are here. They're already listed, their due dates. I want you to complete the assignments in OneNote. So everyone has access to the homework files already. They're all there. You complete the assignment in OneNote, inking, and then make sure you submit. And I will grade them directly in OneNote as well for you to get them back. Also, all your exams will be in OneNote as well, timed according to the timing given in the syllabus. Also, it'll be listed as an assignment, the exam, and then it'll pop up when the time is right. Once we get to the projects, I'll be in communication a little bit more with you to talk about the logistics of the projects. And again, for the project presentations, those will be synchronous. We'll have to make sure we come up with a time that works around your schedules in order for us to be able to have the project for you guys to do your project presentations. That's about it. You guys are free to get started. Everything's available. You can start homework 1. You can start watching the videos, take notes. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.